Hey, good morning, people. Welcome to another program of Industrialization History Planet.
We are Paulina Morales and Toraño, and today's programs will be about Great Britain industrialization during 1770s.
Industrialization started in Great Britain in 1770s because people's farms were taken apart, so they needed to move to towns. Industrialization improved the capital and created good manufacturing goods.
It improved everything for people, government, and the country in general. Great Britain industrialization even changed Europe in a positive way. It helped many countries by giving technology, giving people jobs, and making the country's economies better.
It also improved people's ways of life by giving them new products and innovations. Industrialization was good for many reasons. One of those reasons was all the new technology created.
Many inventors nowadays, very recognized by society, participated by creating new products that beneficiated the ways of transportation and communication, health of people, and by creating new machines for a faster and easier way of production. Some examples of these great inventors are
the American Wright brothers, by creating aircraft controls that make fixed wing power flight possible. Samuel F. Morse, by inventing the telegraph that sends coded messages over wires by electricity. The known Alexander Graham Bell, with the telephone in 1876. The German engineer Nicholas Otto, that invented gasoline-powered internal combustion engine. Carl Benz designed a three-wheel automobile which at first wasn't that very accepted. The chemist Alfred Nobel with the dynamite, and for last, Charles that invented the awesome aspirin nowadays very used.
during industrialization, factories were created so new jobs appeared. Jobs passed from making textiles at home and by hand to factories and mechanization, which improved cottage industry.
New jobs improved people's life because the men made more money, so they brought more money to their homes and had a better life conditions.
People grew since families had more money, they could have more kids, and this was one of the main reasons industrialization started.
They had more discipline because they were forced to arrive on time, so they could become better workers.
Later on, women and kids were also allowed to work. Thanks to all the new factories opened and new jobs created, the economy of the countries were also benefited because the cost of transportation lowered. They were cheaper goods, larger markets, and new factories. All this led to a growth in economy.
Great Britain became the first to industrialize and the richest nation, and later on will spread to other countries like the United States. It was all like a circle of life. When factories were made, new jobs were given to people. That led to an economic growth, and that made more factories that needed new technology.
As it can be notified, industrialization was a great change, not only in Europe, but also Belgium, France, Germany, and also the United States. It gave countries and peoples a change in their lives. It made the production of products faster and easier with the help of the spinning jenny creation.
Also helped for the communication and transportation of people and products easier. And it gave people new opportunities to make their life easier by giving them more jobs. It also made a healthier country because a law was passed by the parliament in 1848 that allowed that the city councils clean up the streets. All of this was the result of Industrial Revolution, and all this became a big change for the country. Thank you. This was all for today. We will see you next time in another Industrialization History Planet. Have a nice day. Bye!